Hello. Hello there. Tatay. Wait, tay. Tay, wait.
Live ka, Nay?
Wala. Tay lang, video lang. Hello. Madam. Dos.
Say hi. Say hi. No.
Oh, we're at
Ara na
Boracay.
Mag-live ka, Nay.
Look, this is Boracay Island.
Live, Nay.
So enjoyable and amazing place. Look, if you want to unwind, go to Boracay.
Nay, ikaw live.
Boracay is such a place for everyone to enjoy and relax. Wow, there's so many rides out there. Oh, look at the rides. Sea rides. Oh, there are lots of sea rides to choose. It's affordable. Actually, it's affordable. Staying here in Boracay is affordable. Kung kabalo lang ka mangita og mga lugar nga wherein you can have your staycation, you can have your food trip. There's a lot of places here and stores that very affordable and pocket friendly, na budget friendly. So kain lang tayo ng hindi lang tayo mapili sa pagkain, dami. May inasal, may andoks. Sige lang. Okay.